Hi everybody, it's Captain Starlight here, and I'm in a spotlight store on Earth. And we're here today to help you unleash your creativity and imagination to make something amazing for Mother's Day. The incredible folks at Spotlight have donated these amazing arts and crafts packs. But if you're watching at home and you want to follow along, here's what you'll need. You'll need a card, some colourful yarn, some beautiful textures to decorate with, a hole punch, or anything pointy that you can use to make holes in the card, sticky tape, and some scissors. Just make sure you ask an adult for some help first. Step 1. Take your card and have a really long, hard think about what you might like to put on it. I'm going to put a star on mine. Here's a hot tip. Make sure you grab a pen or a pencil and you draw the outline of the shape you want to do first. That way, when you get to putting the yarn through, you know where you're going. Step 2. Time to grab your hole punch and punch holes in your card. All you have to do is follow along the shape that you drew earlier. Now that that's done, it's time for step 3. It's time to grab our yarn and thread it through the holes. I'm going to choose this beautiful purple thread. Now, if you're having a bit of trouble like me, here's another helpful hint. All you need to do is grab the end of your yarn, thread it, and grab some sticky tape. Now we're going to wrap the end of your yarn with some sticky tape, just like this. And now you have a helpful guide to thread through all the holes. Magic! Now that that's done, it's time for step 4, my favorite part. It's time to decorate. Yes! Make sure you grab lots of different colored textures and let your imagination run wild. And there you have it, a card fit for your mum or anyone you love really. I'm gonna give this one to Nana Starlight. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much to our friends at Spotlight for helping us out with this amazing craft. See you next time.